my beloved students. In between there was some problem. Are you able to hear my voice? In between there was some problem. If you have any problem, you make a call. If you have any problem. Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Very good, nice. But in between there was some problem, is it right? Okay, don't worry. Now let me take once again, because in that case this will be saved in part wise, part 1, part 2, as we used to do before. Don't worry for that. There may be n number of problems, but there are 110 solutions with 10 safety factors. So 1000 solutions with us. That means with you people, it should be there all the time throughout the life. Okay, this is a small part of it. I am taking once again attendance done, and now any of you, if you are interested to give your CEP answers or any queries, you can give now, or any queries. If there are no queries, then I will continue further. No queries, don't worry. Now let me know whether you are able to see the slides. Yes, no. You should respond immediately, my beloved students.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, Yogita madam. I don't know whether it is Yogita madam, Jasmine madam. Now continuing further. Stoke extraction sequence, right? We have seen, and those things either can be extracted by caving, stowing, so many things, right? So one example I would like to give you here, which initially I tried to show something, but since it is being done, these investigations are being done for extraction of the pillars, and with that is also with different combinations. Whether I should extract, my ultimate purpose here is to protect the surface feature. In that case, whether I should extract by partial filling or partial extraction without caving, or with stowing and with different designs. There are so many ways. Or partial extraction by white stall mining, like that there are so many options available to us. So all those things were formulated, investigated for this mine. That's why I'm showing you, my beloved students, this example to give you some more details about this deep learning workings. So this is our SS9 panel under PWD road. This is a total panel. Now you can see whatever I am trying to show you. These are the panel barriers here, if you are able to see, right? This is a total panel of this much, and then this is under your surface features, like your some road, PWD road is there. So on both sides, when you take the angle of draw, you please note down somewhere now itself. When you consider the angle of draw, right? So the angle of draw here is, suppose when we want to protect something on the surface, suppose it is very simple. Suppose there is some structure, this same thing, the road, you just consider like this. This is your mine property, your panel, and on the surface is the road. So this road, if I want to protect, you are supposed to not to extract, right, such a distance even on the other side. Suppose this is a road, now you will be having with the angle of draw, right? Now this is not vertically below like this. You have to leave the pillars, right, on both sides with the angle of draw, and this much of portion you cannot extract, so that this surface, this, if you consider the same whatever I am showing here, this is a road, for example. Now with angle of draw of whatever 14 degree or 70 degree with vertical, with horizontal, whatever the angle, right? Then this one will be the area which you are not supposed to extract, so that this pillar or this structure will not get disturbed. right? And here already I have given you at that time one very beautiful demonstration of critical width of extraction. You please note down somewhere, but I'm not asking another question now. Already everybody knows about it. I discussed with you people where critical width of extraction, right? And then beyond critical width, that is a supercritical width, or less than critical width is a subcritical, where this will not reach up to the surface, right? When it is not reaching up to the surface, this angle of draw will be something like your positivity, negativity. When you see, this will appear something like this. But when it is when it is a critical width, if it is this much, then up to the surface it reaches with the angle of draw something like this, right? When you are going beyond this, this angle will become from this negative to the positive like this, right? So this is the reason why we are extracting or we are leaving as a protection pillar, protective pillar. That's what is also I kept long back in the syllabus while framing for many universities, institutions, whether it is IITs, NITs, or wherever I was involved in India or other places, where this is a protection pillar. That's what we call it as. So this pillar, so with when it is the angle of draw will become positive, and with this angle, then this surface will be disturbed or the subsidence will take place. So to protect that, now you should consider that angle of draw and leave that much width of the pillar. That's the meaning of this. So with that, this green color is provided here, right? And these are the pillars when with the splitting, the split direction you can see here, right? And this is one proposed method. You can have a one split or two splits are split, and then with different dimensions it can be done. That is a way how we are given at that time. And even the split and then the slice, you can see in this, that slice is there. This is only the split. With that split, and then it can be of slices, whenever it is a one slice, two slice. There are so many options it can be done.